Haga jing persang ke Commissionerate of Food and Safety ban wanra yaga jing khot jing suba haga rukom de jing bam jing di sekipat ba haga arpusau trik yang arajar arpusan ke Commissionerate kala penlong de program a jing hikai yaki nong de Marbam ya ki bala tip kum ki distributor wholesaler but ki retailer dashmesh hall ha guru singh sabha Shillong. Hagani ke sengilai dan langda ke kong DBS Mukim Deputy Commissioner of Food Safety Warijit Kumar Bhattacharjee Smart Management Consultancy na Kolkata kinong de dukan Marbam restaurant na lor kiway di. Haba ay jing hikai Warijit ulaong bahaga jing em kinong de jing de kidon lai benta kata ke jing artatin ke jing bamyadai bat ke jing pensisha lani ke confusion conflict but confirmation.
First C, confusion. First C, second C, conflict. Third C, confirmation. Just like I am thinking, what is your good name, ma'am? Gemini. Gemini is a bad girl. It's my confusion. If I stay on my confusion only, what will happen? Your good name, ma'am? Jennifer. Jennifer and Gemini is a very bosom friend. Okay? Jennifer thought that Gemini is a bad girl. She can backstab me. What will happen? If she stays on his confusion only, what will happen? Second C will come. Conflict. Second C will come, na? If you don't confirm if she backstab you or not, what will come? Conflict. After a certain period of time, clearance will come. In our thought process, na, we have to remove 3C in our life. Don't make confusion. In spite of confusion, make confirmation. In spite of confusion, make confirmation. I am thinking this food is not safe. As per me, this is not safe.
Haba keren pat sekilat patai kubor ke kong DBS Mukim bala penlong yang ni ke jing hikai kalaong bakadaw bala penlong yang ni ke jing hikai ke dai ni ke jing Phikir jong kinong bu dukan klem da pentik kena ya ki Marbam ki bala ban bu Jingma ya ki Nongthied
kani ke training ke dai kita ka bagi khot ka first time kot lani ke food safety training and certification dingidon ni training ni ai ki ha ki ar banta ka wei ke dai na banta jong ki Kiba ki grocery store mo ki retailer ki dong ki Shillong ki distributor wholesaler retailer nang ta ka ba ar bade ka dei na ka benta jong ki manufacturing unit processing unit lani ki ba le ka catering ki restaurant ki dhaba ba ki kini ki ta ki training ke bangi ai te men ta ka sni ngi dan sedang ni ki training hang ni ka bangi ai na benta jong ki distributor ba ki wholesaler ba ki retailer kumno ba kin haban arrangement ru ka dei wei ka bakta bi ya ka dukan timenta ke dei ki nidon man ki dukan bi ni don edible items but non edible items ya ki ban nang kin ban ku ni shambon sian ba ki bri ki khle ka ba bang ru bo lang usarf usabon ru bo lang ha ju te kini ka dong ka ba men saw kai te ya kini ki training en ai ki kum ni ki jing kai ki badon ka ba khoi te nang ta ba dei ni ju sham ru shi bon ha kini ki expired food items ki mar ki bala kut ka por mo tikini ki beriu kim ju ya poi perkhat lani kim ju shim ni ka kim long aware sia ba kumno ba ki de ban check kini ki dukan jom ki ba kin like kini ki expired food items ki wei kin te kumno ban store ki jing bam jing di hi ki dukan retail store jung ki don ki makhon ki don ki doi ba kum ta ter to kumno ban store ki jing bam ha kanu ba dur kumno ban story ki jing bam ko udai u khaw ba ki wei kumno ban story ki jing bam de ka dut nang ta kumno ban story ki jing bam ki de ki frozen food items mo bangi o te ki di ba ngin ai ki tu ki jing hikai baro ka
Habatin page bahagi ki shop plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangi bam duna ki eki batte ye comment Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.